If you want the best quality suspension components for your car that are engineered and designed right here in Australia, then look no further. SuperPro has what you need. I'm Sam from Sparesbox, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Readystruts from SuperPro. So why do we trust SuperPro in our cars here at Sparesbox? Well, it's pretty simple really. They're designed and engineered right here in Australia. Now why is that important? Well, Australian conditions are some of the harshest in the world, and we drive our cars hard. I mean, I've seen Andy driving his Prado and it's intense. So we want to stand by a quality suspension product that's going to get us to the bush and back home again. Now, this particular one here is of course SuperPro, and they've got their world-renowned polyurethane blend. So these bushes here are going to be your premium quality. It's going to mean long lasting, it's going to be reliable, and it means it's not going to let you down. What more, the good thing about these particular Readystrut kits from SuperPro is that, as you can see here, you've got everything you need in the box. This is obviously your strut top mount, and it's going to have all your hardware needed to throw the shock in with whatever spring you like and go throw them in the car.